So we're breaking down elements of Warrior 2 or Virabhadrasana 2 here. And what we're going to be looking at with this short video is the position of the hips and the awareness within the hips to strengthen that asana or posture. So here, what we're going to do is we're going to come down. And the main focus of this exercise is we're going to be drawing this lead knee out. Everything stays at 90 degrees. So here we're going to start to explore this range, this external rotation of this hip. And then we start to explore into this. I'm going to show you the other way and then we're going to go into working set. So here, I'm 90 degrees and my toes are tucked and my hips are squared. I come down and then I heel toe this front foot out to about 45 degrees. My focus is on keeping this knee drawn out and then I lunge down, keeping everything maintained and square. If I start on the other leg, we'll go through our working set. I come up, toes are tucked, 90 degrees, hips square, and I heel toe this foot out to about 45 degrees or just beyond, so I start to feel the knee actually collapse. Then my focus is to draw this knee out, and I lunge, keeping this knee centered over that first toe, not the big toe, the first toe. We go through a working set here of 5. We lunge down and back up. Make sure the core remains firm and the hips remain square. We go for another 2. And 1. And on the last one, we're going to hold this position. We keep this knee drawn out. We take time to recheck the hips, recheck the knee, and we pulse gently for another 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We gently come out. We go into the other side. Again, we heel toe out. The hips and that back leg remain locked and square. And we find our optimal range, which is just about where this knee starts to collapse in. We draw this knee out. And then focusing on that first toe, we lunge down, maintaining that line and back up. Hips remain square. For 3, 2, and 1. Now if you remain in this position, I'm just going to change the angle so you can see. I come round. My focus as we hold here is to pull this knee out to prevent this happening. And we're going to lunge and hold here for 5, gentle pulses, 3, 2, and 1. Gently come up and out. We're going to go through other exercises and break down other elements of this warrior position, from the shoulders to the rotation of the head to the core, and focusing on how the hips play a role in how wide we can go in this. All of these things are to strengthen this position and to make it more progressive and more optimal for our posture whilst growing our practice at the same time. I'm James, we're down at YOGIS Studios, and we're going to continue through our asana series, breaking down these different positions, helping you to understand your posture better and how you can make your practice more progressive. Thank you.